Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are back. Once my controller starts working. Oh, there we go. Okay, we are back in black. Ooh, who's giggling? Oh, I'm getting attacked. Unauthorized entry detected. Do you have any idea how unauthorized you are, little one? I know what you have come for, but I am unable to allow you to proceed. Unauthorized has no idea of what it is they seek. No understanding of the technology detected. I will not allow you to make the same mistakes as your ancestors. Their final instruction was to protect you all, so I had to kill you. Okie dokie. Music. Music. I'm dead. What? Well, that happened. Um, let's try this again. Okay. He's giggling. He's giggling. And enter Papa Smurf. I am Papa Smurf. Unauthorized, unauthorized, unauthorized. He's going to kill me. And he's got a super psychic shield. So we're in an ancient library, fighting Papa Smurf. No. Kill you. Ah, die, robot. Die, robot. Oh, what's that? Oh god, that could have been bad. Um. Aha! There's one. Yeah, there you go, fucker. You wanna dance? Oh! Run away! Oh, I am suffering on the old health front. Oh, health, lovely. Ah! Die, robot. Roll, roll, roll. Oh, avoid his super Iron Man blast. Na 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 na. You fool. Roll and slashy swipe. Kill. Kill the Elf King, Papa Smurf. Oh, oh shit, it's one of these fuckers. Oh. Die. Oh. Oh, that could have gone very badly. Die, die. And attack, attack, roll. Oh, he's dead. There's. Oh shit, there's another. Of course there's another. Why is there another? Woo! Attack, 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 roll. Attack. Roll! Roll! Whoa! Attack, 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 roll! Oh! Attack, 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 roll! Attack, attack, roll! Oh, attack him! Attack him! Oh, I'm dead. Oh, fuck. This is going to be difficult. Okie dokie. But it must be done. Oh, yeah. Bloody blast. Cutscene. Yeah. Yeah, we get it. You're very upset. Okay. Yes, we got it. We understand. Kill the robots. Health. You know what's great? Health. Health is absolutely invaluable, one could say. I have a healthy obsession. Ooh. Laser vision. Laser vision. Laser vision. Oh, let's back up. And health. Yeah. Slicey dice. And he's dead. Where's the little robot? Little robot. Yeah. Now I just stand here and wait. And now I run it. Oh, I kill him. I kill him! You know, it'd be great if he had a fucking health bar, then I could know how much is left. Oh god, hello. And attack. Roll. Attack. Roll. Oh my god. Roll. Oh, that hurt. Oh, move. Attack. Roll. Oh, he's dead. Okay, that's good. There's another one. There's another robot thing. La. There's another robot thing. La. Slice him in the ring. La. Roll away from his thing. La. Oh, God. I'm on about half health. This isn't good. Oh, God. I need a fairy ring. There's a fairy ring. Okay. Oh, Jesus, they're down. Yes. Click. Attack. Slice. Whoa, roll. Who's shooting? It must be him, but he's sitting there like he's looking fairly knackered. There's no glowy thing specifically for me to hit besides him. Oh, God. Maybe I can click? No. Oh, no! Is there anything over here? What about this over him? Nope. Just attack. And attack. Oh. He doesn't sound happy. He sounds constipated? Ooh, what's this way? Okay, nothing. If I've missed some fairy rings or some ohm stones, I'll be very upset. Do these move? No. La. Roly poly oly. I have no idea how long we've been recording. Not long, but I didn't take a start time. So, oh. What's it? Oh! What's over? Nope, nothing over here. B. Okay, there's some people measuring crystals. Scientists. And the crystal machines going well. And there's flying machines and dragonfly helicopters and whale planes. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Oh, the thing's back. Is that the thing they took at the beginning? I don't know. Oh, oh, what's happening?